Hi, this is Joby Gutierrez again. I would like to talk about life insurance with investment na ang insured ay yung anak niyo po. Kasi marami po ako nababasa na maraming parents na gustong ikuha yung anak nila ng insurance. So it's better to get while they are young and then we can do it with investment para mas malaki po yung potential rate of return lalo na kung bata pa sila. So this one is like the example that I did is My Life Choice Protection kasi yung education po talaga, minimum nun is 2,500 pesos and the other one naman, if it's 10 years to pay, at least 20,000 per year or per annum or around 1,800 something. So the example is like 15,000 per annum para swak sa budget nyo. So let me share my screen. So this one is My Life Choice Protection. And the policy owner is the parent and the insured is the child. So in here, it has a built-in accident insurance from day one. And then it has payer's clause. Payer's clause waives your remaining future annual premiums of 15,000 in case the payer or the policy owner becomes totally and permanently disabled. So may age din po na until age 21, I think, for the child. Now, from day one, meron po siyang startup bonus, one of the unique feature of My Life Choice Plan. And then this one will be given on the 10th, 15th, and 25th year of the policy. Granted na walang premium holiday, walang withdrawal na naganap, or hindi nag-lapse ang policy during the payment period. Then the premium paid by the client is invested into investment funds of AXA like Chinese Tycoon Fund and Philippine Wealth Equity Fund. Now, if let's say, even nag-start kayo sa maliit na amount, let's say since this one is 15,000, it will be like 1,250 per month. May option po si client na mag-add or mag-top up every year ng let's say 1,000 pesos per year, which is divided into 12, so 83 pesos. So mag-a-add lang ng 83 per month para lumaki yung fund. Pero kung halimbawa, medyo nababagalan sila sa regular top-up na 1,000, pwede rin naman po mag-lump sum top-up ng minimum of 5,000, which will go directly to your investment funds. Then charges and other details for this particular plan, we can discuss naman po during our one-on-one meeting. And then let's say, nagbayad po si client ng 15 years for this policy of the child. Ngayon, kapag nag-reach na ang bata, let's say, ng 15, kasi dito po sa example, 2 years old yung child. So ngayon, 70 na si insured. So by that time, senior high na po siya. So if let's say 10% yung kinita ng fund, meron silang 340,590. And then, during these years as well, on the 19th year, if 10% yung kinita ng fund, meron silang 486,594 pesos. In between here, especially college na si insured, pwede pong mag-partial withdrawal para pambayad sa tuition or anything na kailanganin sa school. Kasi syempre, ito naman po is VUL. So pwede pong mag-partial withdrawal even if tapos na kayo magbayad. Then, if let's say naman po, tapos na mag-aral yung bata and then gusto nyo pa rin pong i-continue or gustong i-continue ng bata yung policy, kasi syempre maliit pa yung premium na nakuha, then pwede naman po, and then it's a preparation for her retirement naman. So yun lang po ang kagandahan na mag-start ang bata kasi maliit pa yung premium, and then whatever needs might arise in the future, merong makukuha kasi ito naman po pwedeng i-monitor through Emma by AXA. May app naman po na pwedeng i-check. And then siguro tatanungin nyo, how possible is it for this to have this 10% rate of return? I will just share with you the investment funds of AXA. Kung ano po yung top performing. Ito po, si Philippine Wealth Equity Fund, ang rate of return niya po is 11.85%. And then the companies that comprises Philippine Wealth Equity Fund are top holdings. Ito po yung mga blue chip companies na tinatawag. And then highest price was 49 pesos and 24 centavos. And then right now yung price niya po is 31.92, but recently it was changed to 33 kasi bumabelo na po si stock market. Now, yung second naman po na fund na pwede kang mag-invest is Opportunity Fund. Sandali lang po ha. I-check natin. So ito po si Opportunity Fund. It's almost the same blue chip companies that comprises Philippine Wealth Equity Fund. Ang nadagdag lang dito is si Metrobank. And meron din po siyang non-index companies that comprises Opportunity Fund. And then, ang rate of return niya po is 8.57%. Then, highest price was 35.02. And then, recent price is 22.47. Pero I think so when I checked earlier, nasa 25 pesos na nga po. Kasi tumataas na po ulit ang stock market natin. Now, ang sunod naman po is si Chinese Tycoon Fund. So, ito po yung mga companies na pag-aari ng mga Filipino Chinese like Jollibee, BDO, SM, of course. And then ito po yung iba, nagfo-focus po sa consumer services or consumer goods like Universal Robina, Pure Gold, and Jollibee. And then ang rate of return naman po ni Chinese Tycoon Fund is 6%. And then highest was 24.06. But then right now, ang price niya po is 14.93. But I think so yung current talaga, yung as of my checking earlier, it's nasa 16 pesos na po. Now, kung halimbawa naman po, conservative investor ka, then pwede ka po mag-invest sa Philippine Wealth Balanced Fund or Philippine Wealth Bond Fund. So, ito naman po is sa Philippine Wealth Balance Fund, may kasama po si SM Investments and SM Prime Holdings apart from government entities. And then, ang rate of return niya po is 5.93%. While Philippine Wealth Bond Fund focuses more on bonds and treasury bills, and then time deposits, and then yung rate of return niya po is 2.47. Now, if let's say gusto niyo pong maintindihan yung plan ni AXA na My Life Choice, We can add also CARE, which is daily hospital income benefit, critical condition rider. And then we can also add Bright Rider Plus, which is a protection po for the child of the insured. If let's say ang insured naman is parent, for their parang magkakaroon ng educational fund yung bata in case of untimely passing of the insured. Pero yan, i-discuss po natin in details kapag nagkaroon tayo ng one-on-one meeting. And then, pwede rin po mag-add ng life insurance coverage through Protector. And then, built-in na naman po si accident at saka si disability benefit or payers clause. Now, don't hesitate to contact me or call me at 0917-8989-070, or you can message me on my Facebook page, J. Gutierrez Consultancy and Wealth Advisory Services. Thank you po.